The Institute begins historically with the discovery of the famous Lucy skeleton from the Hadar site in Ethiopia, which was found by Don Johansson, the founder of IHO, back in 1974. The anniversary exhibit here at the Anthropology Museum in the School of Human Evolution and Social Change is celebrating 30 years of research and discovery of the Institute. And research and discovery summarizes, I think, very nicely what we're about. We are about recovering the ancient fossil and archaeological evidence for human origins and evolution, analyzing that evidence, and then communicating it not only to the academic community, our students, but also to the wider public. We have an exhibition that replicates a field locality in Eastern Africa, in Ethiopia, where one can go and see a replica of an actual fossil recovery site. And then we also emphasize context. Context meaning what are the animal and plant communities that were prevalent during the time these early ancestors of ours were roaming Eastern and Southern Africa. And so the visitor can learn about geology, can learn about reconstructing communities of animals of which our ancestors were a part.
Basically, what I look at is the environment and the habitat and other animals surrounding early human evolution. I compare animals in this area with animals in this area and figure out how they might have migrated, or if they had a speciation event where we find them, and that helps understand more the broader context of what the hominids are doing. There are many antelope that are hanging on the wall there. The ones that I have brought back from Africa, we use for comparative material. We measure their teeth, we measure their horns. You saw those have these horns, and what we find most in the fossil record are those horn cores. And antelope are great for reconstructing the environment and for understanding the community of mammals within which critters like Lucy lived.
Well, I work on the origins of modern humans, so that's the very final chapter in the human evolution story. That's the story and the study of how we made a transition from an archaic hominid to fully modern people who look like us and think like us. And we know that all modern humans come from Africa, and we're trying to discover where in Africa and how that happened. And I think it's probably in South Africa, in a coastal environment. So my research area, my field area, is on the south coast of South Africa. And my research team, broadly speaking, is 30 to 40 different people, of which at least half are students. So a university is an ideal environment to assemble that group and to keep moving forward.
We have scientists who are working on things like growth and development of our ancestors, how they matured, how our brains were used during various stages of growth and development to adulthood. So we cover a wide range of research agendas, but all of which are integrated in the pursuit of the question, who are we and how did we get here?